Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Animoto subscription. If you're using Animoto on your phone and no longer need your paid plan, you can cancel your subscription directly from your device. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So first, you need to have an Animoto app. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or Play Store and download it from there as well. And after that, you can tap on the Animoto app and make sure you log into your account. And on the dashboard, on the bottom right, we could see there's a settings icon. Simply tap on the settings icon, and in the billing section here you'll see your subscription on the account as well. Simply tap on the subscription, you'll find the pure paid plan. Here you'll find an option for cancel subscription and follow the prompts. Animoto may ask you to confirm your decision or provide feedback, confirm your cancellation to finalize the process as well. And after cancelling, you'll receive a confirmation email. You can continue using your paid features until the end of your current billing cycle. And after that, your account will revert to the free plan. And that is it. The subscription will be cancelled successfully. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to cancel Animoto subscription on phone. If you have any trouble or questions or query about it, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.